How to log into your Phantom Wallet account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Phantom Wallet. Phantom Wallet is a popular cryptocurrency wallet specially designed for Solana blockchains. It allows its users to store, send, and receive Solana-based tokens easily and securely. Now if you want to log into your Phantom Wallet, before that make sure you have your secret phrase backed up and ready with you. Now open your Phantom application on your mobile device. Now wait until it loads. Once it loads, you will be presented with this interface on your screen. Here you will need to tap on Import an existing account option just below Create a new wallet option. Once you tap on it, here if you want to protect your wallet for more security, you can toggle this button at the right side of this device option and enter your biometrics here. After that, tap on this Next button at the bottom. And here you will be presented with three options: Import Secret Recovery Phase, Import Private Key, and Connect Hardware Wallet. Select one of these options based on your preference. Here I am selecting the first option. Now to access my Phantom Wallet account, I will have to enter 12 set of words, which is the secret recovery phase of my account in this box. Tap on this box and enter your secret recovery phase. Make sure you keep it confidential and do not share with others. Now tap on this Import Secret Phase option at the bottom and wait for a while. Now Phantom will find your account along with your activity. And once found, you will need to tap on this Continue button at the bottom. And then you will see you have successfully gained access to your Phantom Wallet account. Now tap on this little circle ahead of I agree to the terms of service and then tap on Get Started. Use your fingerprint to access your account. So in this way you can log into your Phantom Wallet account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.